Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my smothered turkey wings. So let's cook. So I have an onion here, and I'm just going to cut this onion in half. And I'm going to slice it up into medium-sized slices. And I'm just going to put these off to the side. Now I'm just going to cut my green pepper up into pieces as well. Just going to slice these up into slices as well. And you're going to put these off to the side as well. Here I have 2 turkey wings that I'm just going to cut in half. And you just want to find that joint in between the two, and you're going to slice through. Just gonna slice through like that. Then you're gonna flip it over. And you're gonna slice your turkey wing in half like that. So I put my turkey wings inside of a baking sheet. And here I have some seasonings. In here I have a teaspoon of seasoned salt, a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of onion powder, a half teaspoon of sage, and a half teaspoon of paprika. And you're just going to go ahead and pour this seasoning over top of your turkey. Just going to roll them over. And just make sure you coat both sides. I'm just going to go ahead and massage that through. Just making sure that I'm covering my whole turkey wing in that seasoning. And you might not need to use all the seasoning. It really just depends on how big your turkey wings are. Now that that's done, you want to take about half of your onions and you want to spread them on top. And you just want to mix it up in your turkey wings as well. Just trying to get some of that seasoning on your onions as well. You're just going to go ahead and cover this up with some aluminum foil. You want to place this in the oven on 375 for about an hour and 20 minutes. Okay, so our turkey wings are approaching the hour and 20-minute mark. So I'm going to go ahead and start my gravy. So I just have 4 tablespoons of butter here that I'm just going to melt down in my pan. Now you're just going to add some green peppers and your other half of your onion. And you're just going to cook these down until they become soft. So my onions and green peppers are cooked throughout and they're nice and soft. So I'm going to go ahead and remove them from my pan. So you just want to add 1 tablespoon of butter back into your pan and mix that up. Next you're going to add in about 3 tablespoons of flour. And you're just going to mix that up in your butter. Now that our flour has now begun to get brown and it's got a nice color on it, you want to go ahead and slowly start adding in your chicken stock. And you want to keep stirring the whole time. So I added about 1.5 cups of chicken stock to this. And what you're going to do is take some of your leftover seasoning and you're going to go ahead and put some of that seasoning inside of your gravy as well. And you want to mix that up. And you just want to give this a taste to make sure that you have enough salt. And that tastes good. So now I'm just going to go back and add my onions and green peppers back in. And you're just going to let your green peppers and onions just sit in this gravy and cook for another 5 minutes. And you want to make sure you stir it occasionally. And if you find that your gravy is starting to get too thick, just go ahead and add some more of your chicken stock inside of your gravy and it should loosen it up. Now that our gravy is done, we're going to go ahead and set this off to the side and bring our turkey wings back in. Okay guys, so here's our turkey wings. So you can see all those drippings in the bottom of that pan. What you want to do is take those drippings and pour that inside of your gravy. Now that that's done, you just want to spoon all that gravy on top of your turkey wings like this. You will make sure they're totally covered. And now you want to put these back in the oven for about 30 minutes uncovered. Alright guys, so here is our smothered turkey wings all finished. You can still see that gravy bubbling inside. And that's it guys, that's how I make my smothered turkey wings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.